So this is the meth tank. It's gonna give us our radius. Fit along there. Already got the hole cut in the other one. The gas cap. Cut her and start welding it together. So I've got the basic shape cut out, just nibbled off the edge there. We'll finish it up. I'll sand it all down, get it all round exactly the way we need it, and I'll have to make the back piece, drill these holes, get welded together. Okay guys, so it's getting a little late here. I didn't film as much as I wanted, but we did get all the pieces cut out. I got up here for my gas cap. I've got it cut out and all the holes drilled and tapped for my gas cap. We do still need to bend this piece here. Still needs to be arced. So now that we've got all the pieces cut and ready to go, so my front plate all peeled off, and then this is the bottom. It's gonna be flipped over. I just don't want to scratch it right now. And I've got the top. It's already done. I've punched a hole out for the filler cap. I've got all the screws tapped to put it in. So now all we need to do, we need to bend the last piece. We're gonna have to bend it up, put the arc on it, and then Dave's gonna weld it up. So here we go. Go. Just like that, it's bent. I could have done the same thing with a garbage can and a hammer, but I'm just kidding. I couldn't have done the same with the equipment that he's got. Well, there it is, guys. We've got it all tacked together. So it's all there. Now I know it's hard for you guys to see if I put it down on the side here, but it is a little thinner at the back than at the front, so it's going to sit up like that, sit level, just so that all of the meth runs to the front here. And we're probably going to put the nozzle somewhere around here. So now we're just going to weld her up, finish it up. Not bad. It's almost like you've done this before. Only 10 more runs to go, and we're done. Hey guys, back at the shop here. I just wanted to give you the last update. So this is the meth tank that we built. We finished it up. Like I said, just had to weld on a couple tabs there to go across the sides. But that's it. The meth kit's gonna come from there. I'll have a line obviously coming from there. It's gonna be hard lined in. Then from this side, I'm gonna put a check valve over here. Just so that the meth doesn't run backwards. I'll put a check valve here and then run the line up to the front. And yeah, when I put my carpet in, you're not even going to be able to see it. It'll be completely unsuspicious. Nobody will know that I got it. So I am getting comments on the Mustang, where it's gone and stuff like that. I will be putting more videos up now that the nicer weather's coming. Here in Ontario, we have weather, so I can't drive in the wintertime. But when I get the Meth hooked up, I will do an install on the Meth kit. And we're going to take it back down to the dyno, and Kevin's going to work his magic. And hopefully we can hit that, I don't know, maybe 950 wheel, 900 wheel. I'm only running pump gas. I don't really want to start running E85. We don't have E85 up here, but I mean, I could run a C16 or some kind of race fuel. But just on pump gas and Meth, hoping to run, like I said, somewhere in the 950 to the wheel. But if you are new to the channel, guys, the basics of the channel, we are building this Toyota Supra and giving it away. By the time it's done, with that body kit that's over there that's already been voted on, it'll look like this. And everything we do to the car gets voted on by you guys. So I've started assembly on it, taking the front clip off, the exhaust, gas tanks out, back bumpers off. I'm going to continue on it. But if you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe to the channel for your chance to win.